What's up, my dear eager vegans? Today we're going to be making a mango and strawberry smoothie. The ingredients we have here: half a mango, 12 strawberries, some of the raspberry puree we used in the mango sorbet video, and half a cup of oranges diluted with some water for good measure. Then we're going to whiz it up and drink. First things first, we got half a mango cut up already. Next, we're going to cut the 12 strawberries. Here, we're going to add the strawberry mango, the raspberry puree, and the diluted oranges to the whisker. Next, the oranges and the raspberry puree. Now here you go. After whizzing thoroughly for around 20 seconds, you've got your strawberry and mango smoothie.